Good day, guys. Your girl is here with a quick little hair video. Um, During the Sephora VIB sale, I picked up the pattern uh Palo Santo mini stylers kit because I was watching a girl on TikTok, don't know who I was watching, and she had done a braid out. And I was like, I used to do braid outs and twist outs back in the day, but I don't really have anything to do that right now. So I thought during the sale, I'll try out this little kit because I did see someone else on TikTok doing it with like the new blue sets from Pattern, but we don't have that in Canada, and duties are not it. So I thought I'd try this out and do a little, I think I'm gonna do a twist out because I don't braid well. We'll see how it goes. I just washed my hair. It's feeling nice and clean. I am gonna go in with the Wella Ultimate Repair Milk Miracle Hair Rescue Treatment. So I'm gonna spritz that all over. And while it sits, I'll tell you what's in this kit. So it comes with the leave-in conditioner, the curl mousse, and the styling cream. So I'm excited to try it out right now. So these are the sizes. Oh, I decided to like part my hair and get it sectioned. I don't typically like a middle part, but I thought I have a bob. Let's try something different. So these are the sizes. This is the leave-in conditioner. It is a 3 fluid ounce. You got the curl mousse, which is a 4 fluid ounce, and the styling cream, which is a 3 fluid ounce. It does smell pretty good, so we'll see how it goes. I don't really do talk through videos, guys, but I'm gonna try to do a little bit right here. I used to be a diehard, so I used to be like really into doing my hair like pre-COVID when I was more like into the whole natural thing. Going in with this first. And oh my gosh, why is everything sealed? I always be struggling. Oh my word. Hold on. Okay, so like I was saying, I used to do my hair all the time like as a natural girly. Like pre-COVID, I was like really into it. And then I just kind of fell off after COVID because I shaved my head. And then I had my locks for a little bit. And then this time I thought, let me get back into it. I don't know. I'm trying to take better care of my hair. What was the method? Leave-in conditioner? Yeah, mousse. And then the style cream. Yeah, I really used to love being like a natural girl. Right now I was trying to be like a straight natural, but I don't know how to do hair for the life of me. Not gonna lie. So I think that's not gonna go very well for me. I can blow dry, but that is about it. So if you have any tips or favorite like people to watch do hair for your girls that are beginners and have no clue what they're doing like me, tag them down below so I can check them out. DM me a video because your girl could use some help, especially when it comes to like straightening and styling it, right? Because I even have a Dyson Airwrap. I'm not quite loving it. Don't let my kid hear me say that because she would be the first one to be like, sell it on Carrot, sell it on Facebook. And like, I have the complete set. Like I have the straightener now, the Airwrap. Like I've had the straightener and the blow dryer, the original, the supersonic, and now I have the Airwrap. But it's not doing what I need it to do, I think. I also just don't know how to use it. And because my hair is short, I just feel like it's not giving what I need it to give, if that makes sense. So I don't know. So if you have any suggestions, even on people that are more natural that use the Dyson, send them down below as well. Because when I look at the videos, I feel like most of the girls are like a 3 hair type, and the hair is longer. So yeah, let a girl know. And I think I'm already liking this little setup because it's just going through smoothly. And I think why I'm also liking this is because I'm not in a rush. Like it's 6 p.m. Maybe 7 now because I did wash my hair. But it's not too late where I feel like I don't have time and I want to go to bed and whatnot. So I'm hoping this will turn out really well because I am taking my time with the sizing. Like, I wish I could do smaller, but I hate taking twists out. So medium small is gonna be how it is. And there's a little life. Uno memento. So yeah, I'm really trying to just do better with my hair, guys, this year. Be more feminine. Because I do my makeup quite a bit. And I'm trying to like post that more too. But I'm just trying to be like a soft girl era. Bringing that peace into my life, you know. Not being stressed out by men or relationships, you know. Just trying to like bring that balance back into life. Because I'm 38 this year, y'all. It's August. And I just feel like it's time for a little subtle change. I'm not going to be like new year, new me. It's never really that deep. But, you know, just trying to find more happiness, more peace. Like, I did end an era at Shoppers Drug Mart. So that is a part of this new era. To be more mindful, be more aware, be like more available in the family. Because I did have my grandma pass away a couple weeks ago. And I realized that I really don't have pictures with the family. Unless it's like my favorite brother. Shout out to him. Like, that's the only person I have really like the most pictures of or with, like, over the years. So I want to be more present in the family, you know, because my parents are getting older. You know, they want to be retired and live outside the city. Like, who does that? Like, I'm your only child. On a technicality, there's other siblings, but do they really count? Not really. But yeah, I am just here trying to enter this soft girl era, live life the best I can, do more videos because honestly, I do find them therapeutic and to share with y'all. But funny story, I just hate editing. So I try to make a day a week where I just focus on editing and get it done. I will show you the results at the end once I finish twisting it because this video is already 5 minutes and it's not one of those. Okay, guys, my phone had died and I'm back. This is what it turned out. I low-key always do the one side way smaller, but I think it's gonna fluff out really nice. It is still pretty damp, so I'm hoping by the morning it's not as damp. We'll see. If not, I'll wait like a second day. I am just gonna sleep with my bonnet on to keep it from frizzing up too early. And that is it. Come back for part 2 in a few days or whenever I end up posting it to see how the results turned out. Till next time, deuces.